For them on the Bay Bridge at 11 o'clock this morning.
Well, temperatures should be right around the lower 80s, closer to 11 o'clock, Megan. But the best time to get your run in will be this morning when temperatures are the coolest and humidity isn't at its peak. But you can see your running forecast later on today. We will be flirting with a high of 90 degrees. It's going to be very hot, very humid out there with plenty of sunshine throughout the day. But I want to show you this beautiful camera view of the ocean. I mean, I love the hues of orange and red, even yellow off in the distance. The sun is rising. It's a gorgeous start to your Wednesday as we head into this hump day. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 60s, 66 up towards Essex, 65 up in Bel Air, and good morning to everyone in Westminster, hanging on to 66 degrees as well. Our dew point values are a little bit elevated, primarily in the low to mid 60s, so that is allowing some of that fog to linger closer to the ground, and our winds are very calm and light, primarily out of the north and west, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's a peek at your planner throughout the morning. So closer to 11 o'clock, right around the time the race starts, temperatures will be close to 80 degrees, mid 80s right around your lunch hour, and then soaring close to that 90-degree mark later on today. But our temperatures aren't going to be the only thing that's very high. Our UV index will be very high as well at a level 10. That means it'll take about 20 minutes for a sunburn to set in. So the SPF 30, make sure to apply that every 2 hours, especially if you're going to be laying out by the pool this afternoon. Very quiet across the Mid-Atlantic region, courtesy of this high pressure system up to our north. We are going to stay dry with a mixture of sunshine and clouds throughout the day. Clouds will gradually start to take over as we head overnight into early Thursday morning, and then we'll start to see some gusty showers slide in from north to southeast as we head into your Thursday morning. There is a brief lull, a brief dry slot in that rain and thunderstorm activity, but later on in the evening, right around 9 to 10 o'clock, we'll start to see some more organized bands of showers and storms slide in from the Great Lakes region. And yes, these could be a little bit more potent in nature and very quick hitting though. But as we head after midnight into early Friday, that's when we're going to be drying things out and kind of calming things down a little bit. As we take a look at your severe weather impacts for tomorrow, within any of the strong storms that glide through, whether it's tomorrow morning, I'm thinking the timeline for severe weather will be mainly right around 8 to 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. Damaging winds and hail will be the primary threats, but there is the potential for some isolated instances of flash flooding and even an isolated tornado. So make sure you have that safety plan in place if severe weather does strike. Temperatures will climb into the 80s today and tomorrow, low to mid 90s for Friday, hot and a breezy way to wrap up the work week. But then look at this. I'll step out of the way and you can see that beautiful weekend outlook. Cooler and breezy for Saturday, less humid as well with highs in the lower 80s. Liz?
Stevie, thank you.